These 10 cake decorations are not only pretty, they're also delicious. First of all, buttercream makes delicious cake decorations, and you can just use what's left over after frosting your cake, adding more colouring to it. Make edible flowers by piping them onto parchment or wax paper, attached to one of these flower nails with a dot of buttercream. Use a petal tip like this number 104 with the narrow end of the tip facing outwards to pipe petals, spinning the flower nail between your finger and thumb as you work your way around the flower. Pipe a dot in the middle or a little star. This is a number 18 by Wilton. You could use sprinkles, but they're a bit crunchy to bite into. Carefully slide the paper off the nail and place it on a tray or plate. Try piping 2 layers of petals and use different colours to make the design more interesting. Petal tips come in lots of different sizes. For bigger flowers, try a number 125. Put the tray into the freezer for 5 minutes to set the flowers and then lift them up, peel them off the parchment and press them onto your cake. For simpler flowers, use a rounded star tip like a 2D and twist your wrist to let the petals fan out sideways from the piping tip. Chill these in the freezer, and if the frosting on the cake has set and isn't sticky anymore, pipe or spread a little bit of fresh buttercream onto the cake to act as glue to attach the flowers. These flowers are gorgeous and will be delicious to eat with the cake. Drips and mirror glazes made with melted chocolate and cream are eye-catching and colourful and also delicious. You'll need heavy cream and chocolate, and the cream should be hot but not bubbling. To make ganache for the drip or glaze, use a ratio of 3 parts of chocolate to 1 part of cream, so 3 times as much chocolate as cream. Add gel colours if you want to tint the chocolate. Liquid colours can make it too watery. When the ganache has cooled almost to room temperature, spoon it onto a cake or use a squeezy bottle, making drips that run down over the sides. Or make a glaze by pouring cups of ganache over a cake, alternating between colours and letting it run down to create a fun, colourful effect that also tastes incredible. And having a cold cake that's been in the fridge is essential to stop these drips from dripping. Another chocolate cake decoration you can make is a number topper. Melt chocolate the same way, 50% power in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time, and then spoon it into a sandwich bag and cut off a corner. Write or trace a number onto parchment or wax paper, fill it in, and then pour sprinkles on top. They'll stick to the chocolate, and when it sets, after about 10 minutes in the freezer or 20 minutes in the fridge, you can pick the chocolate up. Flip it over, squeeze some more melted chocolate onto the back, and press a paper straw against it, which will chill and set in the fridge or freezer too, and then you can push it into a cake to make a colourful, sprinkled, delicious cake topper. Here's a much quicker and easier idea. Fresh fruit looks beautiful on cakes and tastes great too. Fresh berries are my favourite because they're so small and light. They're easy to attach to a cake with just a dot or smear of fresh buttercream. And they stay fresh looking overnight, so you can decorate your cake in advance. Another easy way to make delicious cake decorations is to use an ingredient from the cake. For example, freeze-dried fruit is a bright and colourful option, like on this strawberry cake. And as well as making a cake look pretty, it gives you a clue of what the flavour is inside. This is edible cookie dough, which is the filling of this cake, and now I'm rolling it into balls to use on top of the cake to decorate it. These are Oreo cookies to decorate my cookies and cream cake here. Cookies are a great base to make ears on cakes, which sounds strange out of context because of course cakes don't have ears unless they're character cakes, like this cat cake, which has Oreo ears cut into triangles and covered with buttercream frosting. Or this reindeer cake, whose ears are made by cutting an Oreo in half and sticking a toothpick into each half, and then spreading chocolate buttercream over them. The toothpicks make them easy to attach to the cake and keep them standing upright. Marshmallows are also great for ears. Cut each marshmallow diagonally to make an ear shape and press the sticky cut side into sugar, tinted with pink colouring. Poke a toothpick into it and it will stand upright on a cake, making cute and delicious ears. Marshmallows can also be eyes by poking a chocolate chip into the middle. So cute! Kids can do this one too. They're fun and delicious cake decorations for a kid-friendly project. To make characters from a favourite story or film, instead of using toy figures, make your own delicious version by making your own stencils on parchment paper or wax paper. Trace each colour onto a different stencil. Light blue, then the light brown parts, then the dark blue parts, dark brown parts, yellow parts, until you can layer the stencils over each other to see the complete character. Cut the shapes out to leave the surrounding paper intact, and these pieces of paper will be your stencils. Start with one of the colours at the back of the character, meaning that there will be other parts layered on top of this, which will be more in the foreground. Let this chill in the fridge for 10 minutes to set, and then position the next stencil on top, spreading buttercream over it and scraping off the excess to leave a thin, smooth layer behind. And repeat. Chill, spread, peel. Chill, spread, peel. Chill, spread, peel. Chill, spread, peel. You can add outlines and small details like the eyes at the end. Add height to your cake with this next delicious cake decorating idea. Cut a shape out of sugar cookie dough and push a paper straw into it before you bake it. Then decorate it with buttercream or whatever icing you like. I like my 4-minute buttercream because it's so creamy and easy. When I make buttercream to frost my cake, I just set aside a little bit to decorate my cookie. Push the straw into your cake and you have a cookie cake topper. Wrap chocolate around a cake to decorate it with this decadent gravity-defying technique. Drizzle or spread melted chocolate onto a piece of parchment or wax paper that's wide enough to wrap around your cake. Push it gently to flatten it against the cake, and then put the cake into the fridge for 30 minutes or the freezer for 15 minutes before you peel the paper off. Everyone will ask how you piped chocolate onto the side of the cake and how you got it to stand up like that. Run a knife under warm water before serving this for the neatest slices. I hope you've seen some ideas you'd like to try. Visit my cake school on britishgirlbakes.com to learn hundreds more cake decorating techniques and designs with my online courses. Start a free trial of my all-you-can-cake membership for access to all of my courses so you can try them out risk-free. See you there! To find out more, go to britishgirlbakes.com or click the link up at the top of the screen or in the video description.